This is the craziest view. That was a 360 view where you could see the entire city on the rooftop of the Kumiai Hotel. This was my suite, which also had a nasty view. I was in Tecate, Mexico, which is an hour from San Diego, with my boy Roberto, who's the unofficial mayor of the city. Before we even crossed the border, I met Griselda, accountant at Fexco. She introduced me to her friend Paloma, who's an influencer makeup artist. She was actually on set, so she couldn't talk long. Check out her amazing work on the gram. Once we got into town, I met Carla at her shop Pepita. Then we headed across town to Master Dye House. Martha and Sonia and the team walked me through some of their washes. Super impressed by the facility, the washes were fire. I met Jesus, founder of Corteza, coffee shop, restaurant, and cocktails. Super charming vibe. Giovanna is a photographer and graphic designer. Her boutique agency, Samia, does all kinds of creative. Luis is a creative director for Baja. Multiple companies here, but you might know them from Baja Racing. Then we ran over to Studio, which was a full-service production house. They take down a ton of massive media events, including TED Talks. We had a meeting with Karen, the project team manager. On the gram, you could see some of their latest productions. Oh, and here's a team member highlight featuring Karen. Every town needs a killer independent coffee shop, so I met Mariana and the team at Kilo Libra Cafe. Her biz partner Luis had the name from a clothing brand he owned. Finally, we have Roberto's workshop, which is a sample studio and a full production line in Tijuana. I can't thank him enough for hosting me. So much good coffee, food, and pan dulce. Te amo mucho, Tecate.